Hello, this is Mr. Golias, and today we're learning the Edit Shape tool. So if you have a shape already drawn like this, if I double click it, it brings me to the format part, and over here is called Edit Shape. I click this and then select Edit Points. Each corner is now in play to alter the design. So if I click on this corner, I can kind of pull up, and you'll notice it gives it this nice kind of curve. I could do something similar on this side. I can click this corner, do the same. Maybe I'm going to pull it in a bit, and then maybe this one's going to come up a little bit, and maybe down here we just do a little bit. There it goes. And I can drag over as well. So maybe I come up with something like that. You get the idea though. You can kind of play with that. The next, let's put in another shape. So I click Insert and go down to Shapes. And let's try something kind of unique. So let's say I draw something like this. Same thing, I'm going to double click, go to Edit Shape and Edit Points. Now look at all the points I could play with. I'm going to just click this individual one and maybe kind of go like this. Click this individual one, drag it down. And you know, I could alter this as much as I like or as little as I want to make the shape look exactly as I want it to look. So let's say I only do that, and maybe I'm going to change the line color. Maybe I want to make it something like that. I can also make it a thicker color, and if I really wanted to, we could give it a little effect as well. So there you go. That's how we can do that. One other cool thing that you can play with, if I insert, and let's again do a shape. Let's say this time I draw something like so. Now here's where it gets interesting. After I double click and do my edit points, let's say this side, I'm just gonna, actually let's do the other side first. So I click over onto this side, and I'm gonna make this one go out a little bit, but on the other side, let's click down here. I'm going to take this, I can actually go past the line like so, and watch what happens to the design. It completely it's like inverse on it, and you can really do some neat things as you start playing around with these. So maybe I'm going to drag this one down just a little more, and you can really make some crazy shapes. You can make this smaller than, you know, make it thicker. But I could play around with the line colors. I could do the fill color. So you get the idea. So let's say I do that, and maybe I just put it down here, and you can see we're still just kind of playing around. Last thing, let's just give it a background. So this one is nothing flashy, but we're gonna go ahead and give this, click Format, a background, and then I am going to send it to the, send to the back, and there you go. So you can play around with yours, see if you can't make yours look like this, and just get a taste of what the Edit Points tool is like. Good luck.